3 tools in one, easily converts from mower to trimmer to edger. A FS automatic feed system ensures continuous work without bumping and having to stop. Ideal property size 750 square feet. Power drive transmission prevents bogging down. Cutting heights 1.6 2.4 inches. Adjustable height deck and trimmer and pivoting handle. Charge time at 60% 2.5 hours. Includes 2 batteries for extended run time. Conveniently mow, trim, and edge with this 3-in-1 compact lawn mower. Easy to use and easy to store. Power drive transmission powers through heavy overgrowth. Automatic feed spool. A FS ensures bump-free, continuous work.